In this video, I'll be showing you how Etoro copy trading works. Tutorial for beginners. So what you do, go up to your menu, go down to copy trader here. So here is where we can do the copy trading. So here we can press view all. We can find some people to copy what's having a lot of filters to get the perfect matches for what we want. So say I want to find someone with a low risk score, as I don't want to be risking much for my trains. Fortunately, there are no people here. So here we can have some parameters that we can select. We can remove them or add them here. So you can add them by going here, daily returns. We can press this to have it. So you can view it like that or like this. But yeah, here we can add some information regarding the parameters in which we want to define to get the perfect person to copy trade. So here there is the risk score, the score that I said. So here we can order our different traders. So we can click that and get this. And if you want more information about the person, you can go ahead and look at their stats. Very important to look at their stats because they may have a good year or a good month, but overall it may be different or the other way around. But yeah, look through here, make sure the person lines up with your expectations and what you want from trading in here. When you have found someone and you want to copy, press copy up in the top right hand side corner, press agree. So here we can define how much money we want to put in here. So what we're doing is literally copying the trader. We're defining how much we want to put in to this. We can define, we can state when the investment closes, when it reaches a certain point. We can edit this, change that with percentage or a dollar sign. Essentially, when you deposit now, what this will do is take you to your portfolio. So once you have deposited the money, when you go into your portfolio window, you'll see all of the assets that this trader has or will trade. And when they make a trade, you will be copying that trade essentially. So it will be done automatically for you, which is very convenient. All you need to do is deposit the money into your account, say that you want to copy this trader. And then after that, any executions, any trades that that particular trader executes will be copied onto your account. So yeah, you're literally copying someone. You don't have to do any trades. You just have to, yeah, make sure there's money in there. Make sure you're checking on it. And hopefully the person that you done it with is making you some money. So I hope this video helped. Speak to you soon.